Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how we can fix the timing problem in our computer. We face lots of problem when our timings are not showing correctly in our system. This can make our system extremely slow. Our system might not run smoothly. We might not be able to update lots of softwares, or Windows will not run the way it should run. So in order to fix these problems, we have to maintain the correct and accurate timing our system. For that, today I'll be teaching you that in order to fix the timing problem or incorrect time, we need to replace or change our CMOS battery. Now this CMOS battery is a small battery in our CPU. So I have this Dell CPU in front of me. So I'm going to open my Dell CPU and I will tell you where exactly this battery is located. Then I'll teach you how you can simply pull up this CMOS battery and replace this battery to the newer one. Let me open this Dell CPU. I need to use both the hands, sorry. So I will open this Dell CPU. Now this is my Dell CPU. Now this is my motherboard. It has lots of wire. Let me tell you how you have to simply now you have to simply open or replace the CMOS battery. Now on this motherboard, can you see this one? Now where my screwdriver is, this is called CMOS battery. Now this is the most important part of our system. Now this is called our CMOS battery, this one. Now let me tell you how we can replace this battery. Now this is called our CMOS battery. We have to remove this battery with the help of a screwdriver. So I have this screwdriver with me. So you can have a bigger image that you can simply see that where this CMOS battery is located. Now CMOS battery, C for Charlie, O for Oscar, M for Mike, S for sugar. So this is called CMOS battery. So this is called our CMOS battery. Now let me teach you how we can simply remove this battery from our motherboard and we can simply fix it. So I need to use both the hands. I will put my camera on the other side. Now it has 2-3 locks behind it, so I will simply press one lock from the other hand and I will use my other hand or other finger to simply pull it out. Now this is the way I can simply put out this CMOS battery. Now this is our CMOS battery. So then I will just put out my new battery and I will replace this battery accordingly. So let me just pull this battery back. For that I will press it upside down. I will put a bit force on the other end and I will simply press it down. So this is the way we can simply pull out this CMOS battery and replace it. Now this CMOS battery is available at any electronic shop. It will cost approximately rupees 10 or 12, not more than that. If I talk about dollars, it will be somewhere around 10 cents, 10 to 15 cents. So lots of computer engineers might fool you by telling you that you have to pay lots of money. So believe me, this process is extremely simple. A normal person can do it easily. For the same, you need to make sure that your CPU is totally plugged out from electricity. Otherwise, it might give you a shock or a current. So simply remove all the wire before you do this process. Open your CPU properly, have a screwdriver and simply, let me just do the process again. We can simply just press the button on this lock and use our finger or any other thing, and this is the way we can remove this battery out from CPU. So this is a CMOS battery. Then we have to again simply take it back to the way it was. Just press it towards on your left hand side and then simply press it. So it is extremely simple process. So I hope guys you have learned the simple process of changing CMOS battery. So that is all what I have to teach you. If you liked my video, then please leave your comments. Thank you for your time and patience. Bye bye.